Okay, we got a good one. Leak in the wall. Already opened it up. Got a temporary clamp on there. We're gonna cut this stuff out. Try to make it pretty again. Replace the ball valves. See what happens. Let's get it. Okay, got the water back on. No leaks. Got the ball valve in. Had the jet sweat in this ball valve. Lots of dudes that try to pro press. I didn't have the pro press today. So we had to do what we had to do to get this leak fixed. Water's back on. Jet sweat the ball valve in. Put in a new section. Repressurized. Done deal.